Oh my goodness, girlie, what have you got there?
Welcome back to the channel. Those of you who've watched our channel before and who know us well will know that we like cycling. And recently, hello dog, and recently we have reviewed a few electric bikes, but there are days when we can't get out cycling. Recently it's been too hot.
It's just been too hot, hasn't it?
In the winter, it's too wet. So today we're going to review an option.
So we're going to take a look at the Yesoul G1M Plus training bike. And from the box, it looks pretty darn clever. And it's got a TV. Well, it's got a screen anyway.
Does that mean I can watch Netflix?
Almost certainly. Come on, should we get it out of the box?
Okay, you're going to give me a hand?
Yep.
Let's get it out of the box. Oh, hello. Where do you come from?
I came from the magic of editing.
So we have emptied the box and we will show you a little insert of what the box looked like.
I will be honest, I'm not sure if I'm more impressed with this or whoever designed the packaging.
Packaging was amazing.
Amazing.
So we've got all these things, array of things. So we're going to go and read the instructions and work out how
the heck we put this together. We'll catch you when we've built it.
Ready?
And we are back.
It's together.
It's together, and by the power of editing, you didn't have to watch us do it, but it only took about half an hour.
Yeah, and the instructions. Very good, actually.
Really good.
Came with all the tools we needed. We didn't need to raid the toolbox for anything extra. Everything was there. It looks quite well put together.
It went together very easily. You do have to read the instructions. Here we go. We've got a screen. It's got really quite cool speaker on the bottom. Little tray here. Connects to your phone.
Cup holders.
Cup holders, 2 bottle holders there. This adjusts the resistance.
We can
Handlebars
adjust the
can
height.
go up and down, obviously seat up and down, back and forward. And it even comes with a little seat cover if you want to put it on. We haven't at the moment.
We're going to read the instructions a bit more and work out how to use it. We'll see you in a minute.
We'll see you in a minute.
So we've been riding the G1M Pro for a couple of weeks now. We're quite pleased with it really, aren't we?
Yeah, it's pretty good. Liking it a lot. But before we tell you all about that, let's talk you through how we set it up.
It's a Bluetooth setup. It's quick.
It just scoots through. No problem at all. Everything finds it. Zwift, MyWhoosh, they pair instantly. Just works.
The cadence and the ride data transfers automatically. So it just happens. It just works.
We've got the built-in high definition display, 1080p, 21-inch. It's nice. Like it a lot.
Yeah.
Works really well.
We did come up with one small problem, which was the first requirement is to connect via DisplayPort. But unfortunately, our phones just didn't have that functionality.
No, not at all. We tried 3 phones. They're all modern and none of them are compatible with that. However, our iPad does support it, mirrored first time, no problems whatsoever.
Oh, that was so straightforward, so simple.
Plug
definitely.
in, boom, just works.
So we found ways around it, but if that's what you want to do, just check the compatibility of the phone you've got before you buy this product.
However, stick with us, because we've got a bit of a hack here. So we'll tell you about that a little bit later on.
You love a hack.
I do love a hack. So H, tell us a bit about the bike itself.
Okay, so the flywheel has magnetic resistance. It's not got a caliper, so there's no friction pad. It makes it a lot quieter, it's a lot smoother, there's a lot less wear, and therefore it's not going to run out of pads or whatever it is quite as quickly.
Probably lower maintenance costs over the life of it, I would say.
I think so.
Because there's nothing friction, there's nothing touching. So that's really good.
The flywheel's quite heavy, obviously, but it just keeps everything running smoothly. When you're pedalling away, it's not jerky, it's just really smooth. And when you're on the climbing bit or the sprinting bit,
especially if you're up on your pedals, it really makes a difference.
It's really stable. They didn't feel, some bikes, static bikes, exercise bikes that we've looked at can feel a bit wobbly when you stood up in the pedals, but this didn't at all. It felt really solid.
Yeah, it's a surprisingly solid frame. There's no rattles, creaks. As I say, as Helen said, during hard effort, it just feels planted. Very safe, very secure, very well built.
Now, I'm not one of these mad cyclists who wants a carbon fibre saddle the size of your fingertips. I like something with a bit of a cushion, and the saddle has got a bit of a cushion, and it comes with a cushion pad as well. So
it does. We didn't get round to putting it on.
Really comfy. Yeah, it was
the saddle
really comfy.
itself is fine.
The handlebars are adjustable, so if you want to be leaning over in mega race position, you can be, or if you're a bit like me and you prefer more of a sit-up position, then you can have it either. And the saddle goes backwards and forwards, so you can move that position
It
really
is very adjustable. Let's talk about the Bluetooth. That makes it feel really premium. You just pair the bike, it picks up straight away with Zwift, MyWhoosh. It just sees it. It sees the bike. It starts recording the cadence, just as any other turbo trainer or anything like that would. So basically, it works seamlessly. It's really good.
We tried a few things, and we actually preferred MyWhoosh. It's free, which is a big bonus.
That's a big bonus straight out the bag. And I will be fair and say I use MyWhoosh on our other turbo trainer anyway, so it's kind of...
You knew it anyway.
You go with what you know, don't you? But it works perfectly with Zwift. We did quite a bit with Zwift as well. So I have got an app as well, though.
They have got an app as well. And that is very well priced.
It is. It's got instructor-led classes available as well.
It's got structured programs.
Yeah. Tracks your performance, your progress, all that kind of thing. And as you said, it's very well priced.
At the moment, it's less than $60 a year, which is really cheap.
Absolute bargain.
Compared to other platforms and things. So, yeah, really good. Even the dog agrees.
Even the dog likes it. I mean, come on. But while we're talking about things with classes and their own apps, we inevitably end up comparing it to Peloton.
Yeah.
And let's be honest, Peloton has a more established ecosystem, and it's got an absolute massive library of classes. But how many would you actually use?
Well, that's the question, really. I mean, we tend to find that we have a couple of programs that we quite like, and we'll tend to just use those repeatedly. So if you've got the choice of 100, a lot of people will still only use a handful.
Absolutely. When you consider the subscription costs on Peloton per month,
this is a bargain.
Under $60 a year is an absolute bargain.
Yeah, definitely.
Isn't it?
So we think that it's overall, from that point of view, it's definitely excellent value for money.
Yeah, very much so. And that, when we're talking about value for money, brings us on to our ultimate hack.
Yes.
For this one.
Shh, don't tell anybody about the hack.
Basically, we spoke about the fact that it's got a high def monitor. It uses USB to HDMI DisplayPort, but that means it's just got a regular HDMI input. So you can just forget the DisplayPort complexities and everything else and plug in a Fire Stick.
That's what we did.
Boom.
Suddenly it works.
The minute the Fire Stick's in, you've got everything the Fire Stick's got. Netflix, Prime Video,
YouTube,
Disney, Apple, BBC ITV if you're in the UK.
You can do mirroring with that.
Exactly. So our phones that don't support DisplayPort do wirelessly mirror to the Fire Stick. Boom, they're on the big TV. So that works really well. Obviously, I need to point out there are other streaming sticks available.
Of course, yeah. And we can't say whether they will work in the same way or not because we haven't tried them.
But what we did do is, because our iPad had DisplayPort, we started with that and then we unplugged it. We plugged in the Fire TV. The iPad's great. It sits on the shelf on the bike, so you can see it really well, and you can watch the TV. Helen's doing a bit of Emily in Paris while she's Zwifting around.
So my preferred cycling exercise is to be pottering around the streets, just following behind, which is why I always lose the races. And actually watching a bit of Netflix, because it doesn't feel like it's hard exercise then. But that's just me.
If you're off for a 1 or 2 hour ride on the bike, if you're anything like me, you get a bit bored watching cartoon characters on Zwift going around and about. So you keep them down there on the bottom on the iPad. You can see where you are. The big screen, you can watch whatever it is you're watching, Reacher or whatever your
whatever your
flavour
program
is. But the best bit is on the top corner of the screen, no matter what, is the effort that is being recorded by the bike. So it comes up over the Fire TV as well. So you still have it directly in your line of sight. And it just works out really well. It's a great compromise. It's a brilliant hack. Covers everything.
If you're somebody who really wants to get on there, train really hard, a bit like our son would do, then you can do that with this, and you've got all the links in to do that. Or if you're more like me and you just want to go for a poodle and watch the telly at the same time, then it covers that whole range, really.
It really does. And would we recommend it? I'm going to say yes.
I think yes,
and
definitely.
I'll tell you why I think that it's really worth looking and comparing if you're looking for an exercise bike. First off, it's incredibly well built.
Yeah, it is.
It really is solid. You saw, just the way it was boxed and packed. There is so much thought that has gone into this product. It's really clever. So it's shipped well. It arrives in great condition. You put it together. It's really, really well built.
It feels sturdy. It doesn't feel flimsy like some of the ones we've seen.
No, not at all. It's got a real premium feel, especially for the price. It was dead easy to set up. The instructions are brilliant.
Yeah, it was really easy.
Step by step, no problems at all. So that worked out. Probably half an hour, I guess, from start to finish. So that was really, really good. App connectivity, we've said, MyWhoosh, Zwift, boom, Bluetooth straight away, no problems. It pulls them all in, works really, really well. Does have its drawbacks.
Yeah. So the DisplayPort thing is a bit of a weakness. We were a bit frustrated when we first got it, and we're like, well, this is no good. We're not going to be able to link our phones to it because we haven't got that facility on our phones. But we got round it, and getting round it was fine. There's options to get round it. So actually, at the end of the day, it wasn't really a problem for us.
Note to Yesoul though, if you add wireless casting to it, that moves it from sort of an 8 out of 10 to a 9.5 out of 10 alone. That's really good. So yeah, for us, using the Fire Stick transformed the experience for us overall. It's a great alternative to, the other branded options. You can buy this for around about £400, and you don't have to pay another penny after that, because you can plug MyWhoosh in, which is free, and ride all day long. Now most other brands don't allow you to do things like that. You've got to have a subscription to use it. Value for money. It's brilliant, and it would definitely be on my shortlist, and I think it should be on everybody's if you're looking for that type of bike.
Yeah.
The only other drawback is because it's so well built, it's quite heavy.
It is.
So if you're going to put it upstairs, make sure you carry it up with two of you, because
it's quite heavy.
It's a fairly substantial piece of kit. If your spare room's upstairs, take it up slowly. And do it with a partner so that you don't end up killing yourself.
Take it upstairs before you build it.
Yeah, that would be a good option.
Okay, so if you've got any questions for us, pop them in the comments. Give us a like if you think this has helped.
If you think it's been useful, then please do.
Please subscribe to our adventures and watch us.
We're always doing something stupid.
Something.
So it's
not always stupid. Sometimes we're just entertaining.
Yeah, right.
But at the end of the day, thanks for watching.
Anyway, and we will hopefully catch you in the next video.
See you soon.
Goodbye.
Bye.